Hindi kasi, oh, ito na, ano na. Okay, there's subtitle, you can read. Kinakabahan ako in a way na, siyempre, unang-una yung, ano na naman to, dugo-ino ko na naman ito, nosebleed na naman to. Pero, meron akong nakuha nga lesson din sa mga katrabaho ko, like kay Papa Frankie and Chad. Talagang napaka-professional nila. Sobrang, ang dami kong hugot din na nakuha. Pag every time, lalo na kay Papa Frank, pagdating sa drama scene, ang lalim ng hugot na nakukuha ko sa kanya dahil napakahusay.
Wow.
Ang haba.
Oh.
No, she just said that it was difficult in the first, in the beginning, but she was, she got a lot from you guys. She fed off you, so she kind of, it was a pleasure.
Hindi mo talaga Chad. Hindi mo sinabi yung kay Chad.
Oh, yeah, yours too.
It's the same. More handsome, she said. Siguro ko nang natin
Ang hirap pala maging interpreter ng Miss Universe.
Prince is also part, how did you get the part?
Mga pala, Amerikano din pala ako.
You're based in San Francisco,
Oo,
right?
napira ako sa Bay Area. I saw an ad on TFC.
Nagpaganon talaga sila, this open audition.
There was, an open audition, and my tita said, try nyo. So I did.
Ano bang lahi mo, Prince?
I'm half Filipino, half Turkish.
Turkish, okay.
Dito po ako pinanganak.
Okay, when did you move there?
2002 I moved, so it's 12 years ago. And I answered a casting call, never acted before, and John D really saw something in me somehow. I mean, haggard. I was like all day working, pumasok ako, and then I auditioned, and I read some lines, never acted, and next I get a call 1 month later, and he wanted to talk, and he's offering me Paco's role.
But this is not your first time to act in a film. You have day job or you're an actor in a
First time.
Oh.
Naglalagay ng, nagtatrabaho sa Frito-Lays. Naglalagay ng mga chips.
Oh.
Sa grocery. Sabi ko, I was looking at the monitor. I said, I saw a dramatic face. When you see a dramatic face, it's a dramatic face. You see somebody, tapos we'll spot it. Sabi ko, yan yung term, artistahin. So, he had no acting experience. Tapos sabi ko, ano ba life story mo? Sabi ko na gano'n. It was very Paco. Sabi ko, I saw a connection between the character and him. Searching for his real father. I said, also, anong kwento, etc., etc. I said, parang may something. So, instinct mo. Instinctive lang. And then, let's do it. Let's...
In the next words, destiny. Every time, he said it a lot. Kasi, nung in-interview niya po ako, when he interviewed me, he asked me about my life, and then as I'm talking to him, napapagano siya. Sabi ko, ano pong problema? Sabi niya, your story is very like Paco's story. He goes through the same thing, finds his father. So, yeah. Talagang Paco's destiny talaga. And then Ate Poco, she is Ate Poco, she is Ate Edsa. It's very much like her, pati yung pag-i-English niya kasi mas matanda siya sa amin, so yes, adaptation.
Wait, can I just say something? Alam, ginagawa nating punchline yung English ni Pokwang, pero pag nasa stage siya, seriously, marunong naman to eh. Pero parang nagiging punchline lang. But I wanna remind you, she can survive Tumutodo yan eh. Minsan, yung naka-on, yung, oh my God, I'm sure. I'm sure. Tsaka may ganun sa hair I'm sure.
May sakit.
Oo.
I'm sure.
Okay. Sino yung nagtatanong pala? Sorry, Walden, are you okay na? Thank you.
Ito ngayon si Eugene muna.
Okay.
Ng ng Papers Journal.
Para kay Pokwang, pinapatanong lang ni Ambet Nabus, how is it working with, ikaw daw yung nag-iisang female doon sa group, so how was it working with an all-male group?
Piling ko Reyna ako, tsaka alaga ako ng mga tao. Sobrang talagang, dahil ako nga yung nag-iisang babae sa grupo, masyadong nila akong inalagaan ng bongga naman. No,
Kasi hindi ikaw lang talaga nga ba ang babae dito?
Ha?
Sa cast?
May isa lang
Si
po ba
Richie.
yung babaihan?
Babae pala. Hindi ko pa, hindi
Oo.
ba ako
So,
sure?
kapag itong sa kanila, spoiled ka nga. Yan. Saka laging, make sure nila na lagi akong masaya, gano'n. Dahil alam nila yung pressure sa akin sa mga bawat eksena. Happiness is the best policy. Thank you.
Tsaka interested din si Ambet na malaman kung si Prince daw is interested daw na magstay dito sa Philippines and make a career, na acting career dito sa
You want
Marunong
to
mag-Tagalog.
would you be interested for a long-term career daw here in the Philippines?
Please, mabait na si Ambit!
It's a really program.
I am very open to every possibility.
But you're gonna take care of his working visa, Ambet.
Hindi ko number ni Ambit!
You're gonna work on that.
You're more handsome daw in person.
Oo, naku, yan na yan.
Ako yung bigote.
How old are you daw, Prince?
Pa?
How old are you?
25 po.
Ayun.
25.
Say,
Your mom is
something about
Filipina? Your mom is Filipina?
Opo, nanay ko po Pilipina.
Okay.
Pinanganak po ako sa Binyan, Laguna.
Oh, no wonder.
A lot of my family still here. Marami po kasi kami. At mga katropa at mga kaibigan dito pa rin sa
Okay.
lahat.
Hinihingi ni Ambet yung number mo.
Bigay ko na lang number mo, Ambit.
Single.
Bigay ko na lang sa kanya.
Okay.
Single.
Okay. This question is for Mr. Steven Spoon. Spoon. I think you look like Bruce Willis in some angles.
Why not?
Did you,
Wow, Mario.
I got that on the flight over here. Thank you.
so many ask for your autographs and photo with them.
I've had people in San Francisco stop me on the street and do what we call a double take, you know, and where they, like, you know, you look a lot like Bruce Willis. I said, yes, I've heard that before. But thank you.
Oh yeah. And what are the other movies or TV shows that you've done before this?
I've done a lot of films. I've done feature films, short independent films, done some union films, union commercials, voiceover work, some TV stuff, but it's all stateside.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I have a question
Ikaw
for
na. Sige. Before,
Pookie
before
kasi,
Bautista.
kilala, maraming, you've worked with a lot of Filipino actors na very caring, di ba? Kasi sinabi mo na they pamper you here bilang the lone lady in the cast. Are American actors caring as well, like how Filipino actors are? How, siguro si Steven and